What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another one. It's your boy Boosted Villain, and we back on the fucking Model 3. This is the new vehicle we added to the fleet. As you can see, it's looking pretty nice. But right now, man, we outside. Now, we're about to get high a little bit. Me and my boy, we're going in the fucking woods, and we're gonna light up some woods. Let's get into it. No Didi. So, what is the point of doing all this? Well, the point is, we need to set goals for ourselves, and every day we want to go up a little bit higher and higher, because if not, you can end up losing it. But that's the goal right now. The goal is to get supercars, fast cars, make more money, and just fucking enjoy life, you know? So right now, guys, we on our way going to the auction. We about to meet up with the guy, and hopefully he end up buying a fucking SRT. But right now, we chilling. Actually, we about to start cutting up. Actually, nah, fuck that, man. There's too much traffic, too much fucking traffic. But anyway, man, we chilling right now. Let's go. So guys, I am at the fucking auction right now. The guy for the SRT is coming. So I'm about to go meet him outside. So let's see what happened. Hopefully we can let this shit go today. Guys, it is 9 o'clock right now. We still gotta go up to PA to pick up the SRT to drop it to this customer. But she almost backed out of the fucking deal last minute. So I'm going there right now. We're driving there right now, man, so we can get it. So let's go. So guys, it is fucking 12 o'clock right now. And my boy had to charge up. And we're in Philly right now. And it's fucking hella fucking sketchy. I'm in the SRT. I gotta meet up the guy. Man, that was a bad fucking idea. So I gotta wait for my boy, just in case if some shit go down. We gotta go.